Hi, I'm John Curran, author of Reclaiming Me, and welcome. After years of struggling with fatigue, burnout, and declining health, I began rebuilding my energy and my life. And eventually, that journey became this project. If you've been feeling drained, overwhelmed, or like your energy just isn't what it used to be, you're not alone. Maybe you're still showing up every day, still taking care of everything you need to, but inside you feel like you're running on empty, like something important has slowly slipped out of balance. I know that feeling well, and I want you to know it doesn't have to stay that way. What I've learned is that this isn't just about being tired, it's about how stress, responsibility, and constant pressure slowly disconnect us from our energy, our clarity, and even ourselves. That's where I come in. I work with people who are ready to take back their energy, regain control of their health, and connect with their life in a more meaningful way. Most of them have spent years putting others first, and now they're ready for something different. No quick fixes, no temporary motivation, but real sustainable change. Because when we start looking at what's actually draining your energy physically, mentally, and emotionally, you can begin rebuilding from the inside out. And slowly you start to feel clearer, more grounded, more like yourself again. If that resonates with you, I offer a free 30-minute conversation to explore where you are and what's possible for you moving forward. No pressure, just clarity. And maybe the first step toward reclaiming your energy, your health, and your life.